Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some captivating home front wall designs ideas that will enhance the exterior beauty of your home. The front wall of your house is the first thing guests and passerby see, so it's essential to make a lasting impression. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's get started. Architectural elements can add character and visual interest to your front wall design. We will discuss options like decorative moldings, columns, arcs, or alcoves. Explore how these elements can elevate the overall look of your home and create a unique and charming facade. Material selection. Choosing the right material for your front wall is crucial for achieving the desired aesthetic. We will showcase various options like brick, stone, stucco, wood, or siding. Discover how much material can contribute to different styles from traditional to modern and learn how to select the perfect material that complements the overall design of your home. Texture and finishes. Adding texture and finishes to your front wall design can create visual depth and sophistication. We will explore techniques like textured paint and exposed brick or stone cladding. Learn how to incorporate these elements to add a personality and create a standout feature that sets your home apart. Color scheme. The color scheme of your front wall plays a significant role in the overall look and feel of your home exterior. We will discuss different color combinations, including monochromatic, complementary, or contrasting schemes. Discover how to choose colors that harmonize with the surrounding environment, architectural style, and your personal taste. Lighting and accent features. Proper lighting and accent features can enhance the beauty and functionality of your front wall design. We will explore options like sconces, uplighting, or decorative elements such as house numbers or art installations. Learn how to strategically place lights and accents to highlight architectural details and create a warming ambience. Landscaping integrations. Integrating landscaping elements with your front wall designs add a natural and cohesive touch to your home exterior. We will discuss ideas like planting beds, climbing vines, or flower boxes. Discover how to select plants that complement the architectural style of your home and create a welcoming entrance. That wraps up our home front wall design ideas for the stunning exterior video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create a captivating front wall that enhance the beauty of your home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which font wall design idea you like the most. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design content. Until next time, happy designing and enjoy creating a stunning front wall design for your home.